everyone.
My stage fright is really kicking in, you guys.
It's okay, Clumsy. We're on our favorite show, The Voice.
Man, this red button's great for push-ups.
We're so Smurf and excited to hear all the singers. Hey!
Sorry, Smurf, that berries keep my voice super strong.
Hey guys, I'm back. They're giving me sweet shorts that cure my stage fright. So yeah, I'm totally ready now for all the singing.
To celebrate the release of Smurfs The Lost Village, we're giving away an exclusive Sony Gadget Bundle. For your chance to win, correctly answer this question. Where do the Smurfs live? Smurfs The Lost Village previews March 25 and 26 at cinemas March 31st.